Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use this kind of bins and grow a garden new beanstalk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you how we can use this item, I'm going to show you how we can get this kind of bins. And if you want to get this item, you can grow the beanstalk and then teleport to the top of the beanstalk and go to the giant. Okay, right here, and then you can talk to the giant, click on what are you selling, and then you're going to select the friendship option. Then you can buy the kind of bins here. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to my garden and let's practice how we can use this kind of bins. You can go to the inventory and go to the gear items and hold the kind of bins like this. And basically guys, this item can make you jump higher, so it will help you to reach the tall fruit like this, and every jump will take one use. Okay, as you can see that the use right now is 26, and I'm going to jump. Okay, and it will decrease. Okay, as you can see, and I'm going to jump it again. Oops, I fell. Sorry. And it will help you to climb the beanstalk as well. You just need to hold this kind of bin on your hands and then you can jump higher. Okay. And okay guys, that's all the way to use this kind of bins in grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.